Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Vanguard. First, understand that Vanguard is known for its low-cost investment options, especially index funds and ETFs. To begin, you'll need to open an investment account, which involves selecting an account type like an IRA or brokerage account and providing some personal information. Once your account is set up, you can easily fund it through various methods, such as an electronic bank transfer or by rolling over funds from another institution. Now, let's talk about choosing your investments. Vanguard provides a wide array of options, including popular index funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETF. It's crucial to pay close attention to expense ratios, as lower fees, often around 0.15% or less, can significantly impact your long-term returns. For a straightforward approach, consider target date funds. They automatically adjust their asset allocation as you get closer to your target retirement year, simplifying your investment journey. Once your investments are in place, effective management is key. I highly recommend setting up automatic investments. This ensures you consistently contribute to your portfolio, taking advantage of dollar-cost averaging. Make sure to regularly monitor your portfolio's performance and check your asset allocation to ensure it still aligns with your financial goals. Periodically rebalance your investments to maintain your desired risk level and keep your strategy on track. Finally, let's cover some advanced tips and resources. Vanguard offers a wealth of educational materials, including articles and tools, to help you deepen your investment knowledge. Consider exploring tax-advantaged accounts such as Roth IRAs or 529 plans to maximize your savings and minimize your tax burden over time. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This can significantly boost your long-term financial success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.